Mint Mobile versus T-Mobile, a comparison between the plans offered by these two platforms, and this is going to be a honest review. Let's get into the video. So when you compare the carrier plans offered by these two mobile platforms, as you know, they both operate on the same network, but Mint Mobile only provides prepaid service. There is no postpaid, so only prepaid service, and their price range, as you can see, it's $15 per month up to $40 per month. Okay, and their data includes 5G, 5 gig of data to unlimited, but it requires upfront payment on for 3 to 12 months, so you need to pay upfront. Okay, so you can see here you have from 3 to 12 months and you need to pay upfront in order to use it. Okay, that's the thing. But T-Mobile, on the other hand, if you see T-Mobile, they are offered in both postpaid and prepaid. So if you want postpaid, then T-Mobile is the only option because Mint Mobile doesn't provide postpaid. But their charges include roughly their plan charges are from $60 to $100 per month, and you have data from 50 gig to unlimited, so high data, and it's a monthly billing, so you don't really need a contract or anything. It's a monthly billing. Okay, so when you compare these two options here, okay, T-Mobile offers a variety of perks like Netflix, Apple TV subscriptions, international roaming, all those things. Okay, which Mint Mobile doesn't really provide. Okay, so if you see, so I would say you should choose or use and go with Mint Mobile if you seek affordable plans and are comfortable with prepaid structure. If you need something like that, then go for Mint Mobile. Okay, and your primary use is only in urban and suburban areas. Okay, and you don't need any streaming services and all these things, then you can go for Mint Mobile. Whereas T-Mobile, on the other hand, if you need a more extensive data ranges, high-speed streaming, and the online streaming services like Netflix and all those things, and you prefer the flexibility of postpaid plans with monthly billing, then just go for this one. So because only T-Mobile offers that when compared to Mint, just go with it. And that's pretty much this. I hope the video was helpful.